Hey designers, in this tutorial we're going to create an animation that smoothly transitions between a day and night scene using a lever control. We won't be using any plugins, just an expression to achieve this cool effect in After Effects. First, create a new composition in After Effects. Then, import your day and night images. Drag and drop both images onto the timeline. This will be your day image, and when we turn off its visibility, you can see the night image below it. Next, you'll need a lever vector file. If you prefer, you can use a JPEG or create the shapes directly in After Effects. It's completely up to you. Import the lever vector file. Ensure you retain the layer sizes and drag it onto the timeline. This is what it looks like. Double-click on the file, and you'll see these two layers, one for the lever and one for the wheel. Now, copy both layers by selecting them and pressing Ctrl+C. If you turn off the visibility of the layers, you'll notice one is the lever, and the other is the wheel. Return to your main composition and paste them by pressing Ctrl+V. You can now delete the lever vector file. Select the lever layer and move its anchor point downward. Then, select the wheel and adjust its anchor point to the bottom as well. Next, select both layers and move them downward. Press S to scale them down. Now, press R to access the rotation controls and rotate both layers by 90 degrees. Everything should look perfect by now. Let's add the expression. Select the lever layer, and notice when you change its rotation, we want it to show the day scene when it's at the top, and the night scene when it's at the bottom. First select the day image layer and press T for opacity. Here's the breakdown of what we're going to do. We can see that the lever is upward now, and as it moves downward, the rotation value increases. When the value decreases, the lever moves upward, and when the value increases, the lever moves downward. So let's assume that if the lever's value is greater than 100, we want to show the night scene. When the value is less than 100, we want the day scene. To apply the expression, first click on the stopwatch next to opacity while holding the Alt key on the keyboard. Now, type if and after that, write the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, click on the pick whip and drag it to the rotation property of the lever. Next, we're going to write greater than 100 because once the value is greater than 100, the night scene will appear. Then, write curly bracket 0, close the curly bracket, and then write else followed by 100 inside the curly brackets. Now, as you increase the value and it becomes greater than 100, the night scene will show. You can switch between day and night by adjusting the rotation value. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs.